Hello everyone, this is Satyam Kumar Thakur. So in this video, we will see that how we can print a pattern like this in Java. Okay, we call this pattern as square pattern. Okay, why do we call it square pattern? Because if you'll see the number of rows, okay, number of rows it is 5, and the number of stars that we have to print in each row is also 5. Okay, that's why we call it as square pattern. Okay, now let us see that how we will build the logic to print this pattern in Java. Okay, so if you'll see, we have to keep track of two things here. Okay, the first one is row number. Okay, row number, and the second thing that we have to keep track is the number of stars. Okay, number of stars. Okay, we have to keep track of two things, row number and the number of stars. That means for which row we are printing and how many stars we have to print. These two things we have to remember. Okay, we have to keep track of. So let us write the pseudocode for it. Okay, so let's see. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to rows, I plus plus. Okay, why I have given this for? Okay, this for will help us to keep track of row number. Okay, this will help us to keep track of row number, right? And then there will be a second for loop. What this for loop will do? This for loop will keep track of number of stars that we have to print. Okay, number of stars that we have to print. So for j equal to 1, j less than equal to rows, okay, and then j plus plus. Okay, so now if you'll see that why we have given this rows as the condition check. Okay, because this for loop will keep track of the number of rows that we have to print, so that's why we have given the here rows. Okay, because so that this for loop will execute rows a number of times. Okay, why we have given rows over here? Because if you will see in the square pattern definition only, we have seen that in each row the number of stars that will get printed is equal to the number of rows. Okay, so that's why we have to give here rows only. Okay, so let's go ahead. Then what we have to do, we have to just print this. Okay, so we will print what? We will print star, and then we will give a space and then close this. Okay, once this for loop is over, okay, once this for loop is over, what we have to do, we have to line change. Okay, so we have to print line change. Okay, what this will do, we will line change. Okay, change the line so that the control will go to the next line. Okay, and the next stars will get printed from the next line. Okay, we will close this for loop, we'll close this for loop as well. Okay, so like this we have to write the pseudocode. Okay, okay, now let us run this dry run this code. Okay, so let's see, we will dry run this code. Okay, yeah, so at first if you will see, okay, at first if you will see, we have I equal to 1. Okay, so control will go here. Okay, I is 1, it will check whether I is less than equal to rows or not. Here the value of rows is 5. Okay, so it will check that whether rows I is less than equal to rows, so obviously it is I equal to 1 and rows is 5. Okay, and then the control will go here. Okay, control will go here, control will go here. So here j equal to 1, so j will be 1. Okay, and again check will happen, j is less than equal to again 5, 1 is less than equal to 5, since again rows is 5. Okay, and then control will go here. Okay, after this, so first star will be printed. Okay, first star will be printed and a space will be printed. Okay, after this what will happen, the control will go here. Okay, control will go here, j will be incremented, j will be incremented to 2. Okay, and then control will go here, check will happen, so 2 is less than equal to 5. Okay, that is true, so again control will go where? Here. Okay, in the print statement, so again one star will get printed. Okay, again this statement is over, control will go here. Okay, and then again j will get incremented, it will be 3. again check will happen. Okay, j is less than equal to 5. Okay, so again control will go to the print statement, again one star will get printed. Okay, and then again same things happen. Okay, so j will get incremented to 4. Okay, and check will happen, so 4 is less than equal to 5. So what will happen, again one star will get printed. Okay, and then again this control will go to print, and then again one star will get printed. After that, if you'll see, j will get incremented to how much, j will get in, sorry, I forgot to mention it previous time. So now j will get incremented to 6. Now when control will come here, okay, this check will fail. Okay, and after that what will happen, this for loop will be over. Okay, and after that this line change will happen, so control will come here. Okay, okay, so the cursor will come here, and from here onwards what will happen, after this executing this particular printf, control will go to this for loop. Okay, so it will go to this for loop, and then after that the I will get incremented, sorry, not here, control will go here, I will get incremented to 2. Okay, and then again the same process happens. Okay, so this is how we dry run this particular code. Okay, now let us see the program for it. Okay, okay, so if you'll see, I have already declared the class as half pyramid. Okay, it has no meaning of this pattern. I have also declared this main string, okay, main function, and then I have also taken input using buffered reader class. Okay, I have taken number of rows as input. Okay, so now let's write the logic. Okay, the first for loop, what it will do, it will keep track of number of rows. Okay, so int I equal to 1, I less than equal to number of rows. What will happen, this for loop will run that many times. Okay, row number of times, so that for each row we will print that many stars. Okay, I is I plus plus, and then again we have to run another for loop. What the second for loop will do, it will keep track of number of stars that we need to print for each particular row. Okay, so j equal to 1, and then j less than equal to rows, and then j plus plus. Okay, okay, and then what we have to do, we have to print the star. System dot out dot print. Okay, and then we have to print a star, give a space. Okay, and after this for loop is over, that means for one row we have printed all the stars. Okay, after that we have to change the line, system dot out dot println. Okay, we have to do nothing but to just change the line. Okay, now this code is over. Okay, this is the code. So now we will execute it. If you have any difficulty in understanding the explanation, please comment down below. Okay, so that I will clear your explanation. Okay, I will clear your doubts. Okay, and if you are not able to understand it, please ping me in the Telegram channel that I have mentioned the link in the description. Okay, yeah, you can ping me over there. I'll explain it there also. Okay, so let's execute it. So I have executed it. Let's give the input as 6. Okay, so you can see that this program got executed and the required output is generated on the screen. Okay, you can give another input as well. So let's give input as 5. Okay, so this got generated. Okay, so if you like the video, please share it, please subscribe it, and please like the video. Okay, if you find any difficulty, then please ping me in my Telegram channel or in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.